Now, before I go ahead with this video, right? This video is all about telling you guys or giving you guys a blueprint on how to go about the Bulldozer EA, on how to go about trading with the robot. What is the best things that you can do to trade with this robot? Now, this is what I'm going to tell you guys. But before we go there, I know that some of you guys don't know how to trade. You don't know how to analyze. You don't even know what to look for when you're looking for a break of structure, a trend, something like that. You don't even know what to look for, which is why I've got a trading community that I told you guys that I'm going to add you on. So the price has increased to join the group. We already have about 30 people in the group. And those people, they are the people that need my help. You don't know how to analyze, you don't know anything about trading, but you really want to make this thing work. Now, listen, the best way to trade with a trading EA or a trading robot is to know how to trade. At least know the bare minimum. And if you don't know the bare minimum, that is why we have the community, which of course the price has increased to 1,000 rands, which is about $70, 70 US dollars. That's how much you can pay to join the group, so that I can teach you how to trade, so that you know exactly what to look for. You get my guidance, exactly my guidance on how to go about it. Now, let me go straight into how to use this robot to the full potential. I've got two things that are most important. I'm going to talk about those two things in this video, and the rest I'm going to spread them out in other videos. Now, the most important things is to identify a trend on the pair that you want to trade for the day. Not every pair is going to be good for the day, right? You need to screen, do what we call screening. Let's say you've got 5 of your favorite pairs, right? You are going to do what we call screening. You are going to check all the pairs, and you are going to find now you are going to find your best pair for the day. Your best pair for the day. My boy was crying a little bit, wanting my attention. I'm here, my boy. I'm here. Now, listen, you are going to do the screening, find the best pair. How do you find the best pair? You'll find the one that has got a clear uptrend or downtrend. If you can see that this thing is going up, is going down, then that's a clear pattern. That's a clear trend. You would want to take the robot, attach it to that pair. That is what I'm talking about when I'm talking about screening. That's the first thing that you do. The second thing that you do, you are going to find the best time, and which of course is there on the robot. If you can look at your screen right now on your robot there, you would see that after it's written that you need to trade at which times. What are the times? London session and New York session. Why? Simple, because this robot is looking for more volatility in the market. This robot is looking for perfect entries. Entries that will not take time on a drawdown. They want to go into profit almost immediately. The only way for it to do that is to find or to be plugged on most volatile times of the day, which is London session and New York session. If you're in my country, which is South Africa, that's 9 o'clock for London session in the morning, and that's 3 o'clock for New York session in the afternoon. If you're from any other country, just go on Google. You will find out which are the times in your country. Excuse me, my boy. Now, that's exactly what you need to do. So, those two things that are the most important things for you to identify, or maybe to apply this robot and be able to make some money. So if you do that, you are going to make money with the robot. Now, like I said, I do have a community, guys. You just have to pay for it to be in there. In this community, if you want to join this community and you don't have my robot, right, you're going to have to pay. That's only 1,000 rand. You pay 1,000 rand, which is $70. You get into this community. That's all you have to do. Then we'll add you into the community. You can start making some profit.